Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can fix if iOS 16.2 beta 2 is not showing on your iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to install iOS 16.2 beta 2, which is out now as you know that, and if you're trying to download it from Apple beta website but it's still not showing on your iPhone, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem and how you can download iOS 16.2 beta 2. So let's get started the video. So the first step is make sure that you don't have any previous beta profile on your iPhone. To make sure that, go to your iPhone setting, click on general, click on VPN and device management. So if you have any beta profile here, so you make sure that you click on it and remove the profile. So once you have done this, then go to Safari browser and search for this site. Then scroll down and you will see iOS 16 beta profile, iOS 16.2 beta 2, as you can see here. So if you click on install, then simply click on install again. Now click on allow to download the profile. Once the profile is downloaded on your iPhone, click on setting. It will show on the VPN and device management. Click on it, click on install, enter your iPhone passcode, then install, click on install again. So once it's done, click on not now, click on done. Now go back to the software update section and you will get this iOS 16.2 developer beta 2 update, as you can see here guys. So this is how you can fix this is how you can get it. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.